Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock entry in Excel easy method. Open a new workbook and set up columns for date, item, quantity, unit price, total, and stock balance so your sheet is organized. Enter sample rows and use formulas like equals quantity asterisk unit price for total and a running SUM for stock balance. I will guide you through data validation, formatting, and a simple trick to prevent negative stock so your sheet stays reliable and tidy. Start by entering your basic formula for total using equals quantity asterisk unit price and copy it down the column to automate calculations. Then set up a running stock balance formula that adds receipts and subtracts issues so you always see current inventory. Use absolute references and cell locking for constants like reorder levels and format numbers for clarity. I will explain copying formulas quickly and troubleshooting common formula errors. So add data validation to your item column to prevent typos and ensure consistent reporting across entries. Use conditional formatting to highlight low stock thresholds or negative balances so issues stand out visually. If you deal with frequent entries, I will show a simple macro to paste and format batches quickly for you. These small additions make your stock entry sheet professional, faster to use, and resistant to manual errors for everyday inventory tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.